One of the important topics in the operator overloading is overloading the assignment operator and the copy constructor. You don't need those for all classes you define, but a certain condition is met. You have to give operator overloading for assignment and the copy constructor. So in this lesson, we are going to study for that. To do so, let's create a fresh new project. And through that, we are going to understand the need for those one and how we should do that. So let's create a new project. The project name is operator overload. And then darray. We are going to define a class named darray, which is an array for double numbers. But this is more than the primitive array C++ provides. We want to give more functionality there. So let's create the project folder. Then let's set up the debugger configuration. So once you set the debugger configuration, you can continue with the next video.